Hello everyone, in front of me is iPhone 15 Plus and let me show you how to change wallpaper on this device. At first, open the settings. Then from your settings list, select wallpaper over here. And now click on Add New Wallpaper. As you can see, you can choose one from your own photos, you can create photo shuffle, you can add emoji, wallpaper, weather, astronomy or color wallpaper. If you'll go a bit lower, you'll be able to pick some examples from, for example, emoji wallpaper. And here you can switch between styles. Once you want to apply it, click on Add. Then decide if it's for both home and lock screen. Tap on wallpaper pair. You can meanwhile customize. Let me just go back. Customize home screen, unblur it to have the clear picture. You can choose the gradient, some particle color, or you can add another photo if you want to, but I will set it as wallpaper pair. Then click on Done. And that's it. From now on, this brand new wallpaper is covering both your home and also lock screen. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.